Buying a home is a milestone, but a hidden digital danger is turning this dream into a financial nightmare for thousands. This attack caused over $213 million in losses in 2020 alone, ranking it among the top cybercrimes reported to the FBI. Hundreds of millions of dollars are stolen from home buyers and sellers every single year through this specific method. The median loss for a single home buyer is over $70,000, which is often their entire life savings for a down payment. In this video, we will dismantle this cyber attack piece by piece, showing you the hacker's playbook so you can protect your money. So, what makes the real estate process so vulnerable? It's a combination of high-value transactions and many people communicating online. The attacker's main weapon is business email compromise. They break into or perfectly fake the email accounts of your professionals. This attack succeeds because most buyers and sellers are never adequately warned. First-time home buyers are particularly vulnerable. But how do these criminals know all your personal details, your closing date, and the exact amount of money to ask for? The answer is found in the very convenience of modern transactions. Our reliance on digital platforms has created the perfect hunting ground. Now that we know the environment, we will reveal the anatomy of the attack, from the shadows straight to your inbox. The operation doesn't begin with an email to you. It begins silently. After compromising an account, the cybercriminal simply watches. For weeks or even months, they read every single email. They learn the names, the timeline, and the style of the person they will impersonate. This deep reconnaissance is why the fraudulent email you eventually receive feels so legitimate. It's a message built from your own conversations. Then they wait for the most stressful moment, closing day. The fake instructions arrive at the last minute, framed as updated to create pressure. This timing is by design. It uses your anxiety to close the deal. They add urgency to prevent you from stopping to verify. So what does this fraudulent email actually look like? The details are crafted to be incredibly convincing. They use stolen logos, signatures, and professional formatting. The email will look nearly identical to others you have already received. Look closely at the sender's email. They might change one letter like AN to ANM or alter the domain from .com to .co. The email may ask for discretion, saying, "I'm in a meeting, please don't call." This is a red flag meant to isolate you and stop verification. And once you send money to their account, it is almost always gone for good. Criminals move it overseas or into cryptocurrency within minutes. But what if the email address is correct and the documents seem perfect? The threat is now evolving past simple impersonation. Cybercriminals are now deploying malware that infects your computer or your phone. This software can scan for keywords like wire instructions. It then digitally alters the wiring information inside a legitimate PDF from a real sender. The email is real, but the account number is not. The vulnerability may not even be with your agent. A breach at a smaller third-party vendor they use can be an entry point for hackers. Now, artificial intelligence is making these attacks even more sophisticated. AI can write flawless phishing emails that are indistinguishable from human writing. So this is a multi-layered cyber attack using reconnaissance, manipulation, and advanced technology. How do all these parts connect? Recall how the digital-first environment created the hunting ground? That convenience allows criminals to conduct silent reconnaissance for months. The last-minute psychological pressure is a component of the financial crime. They know that once the money is sent, recovery is nearly impossible. The business email compromise we discussed is now supercharged by AI. Impersonation tactics are becoming flawless, automated, and can even fake a voice. This shows that real estate wire fraud is a sophisticated, patient, and adaptive cyber attack targeting technological and human weakness. After all this, the defense seems complicated, but the single most powerful prevention step is incredibly simple. Before you ever send a wire, you must independently verify the instructions. Call a phone number you already know is legitimate, not one from the new email. Do not rely on email. Do not trust last-minute changes. A 5-minute phone call can prevent financial devastation. Ask your agent about their protocols. Awareness is our best defense. You now understand the playbook of a multi-million-dollar cybercrime. Share this video to protect others.